Long before supermarkets became a staple of modern living, the pumpkin embarked on a journey across continents, embedding itself in the human experience through both sustenance and cultural significance. Esteemed for its nutritional bounty and versatility in culinary endeavors, the pumpkin exemplifies a journey from ancient cultivation to present-day kitchens, telling a compelling story of global spread and adaptation. This vegetable transcends mere consumption, symbolizing the resourcefulness of traditional practices with its array of uses, from soups to pies. Delving into pumpkin's historical roots, we discover enduring recipes that celebrate its status as a culinary cornerstone, thereby inviting us to explore the rich tapestry of flavors it adds to our diet. Advancing from historical fields to modern dining, the pumpkin reveals its nutritional secrets, presenting more than just its eye-catching orange flesh. It's a nutritional fortress, abundant in dietary fiber for optimal gut health, enriched with vitamins like A and C for immunity and eyesight, and packed with minerals such as potassium for heart health. Beyond the flesh, pumpkin seeds emerge as powerhouses of wellness, rich in magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants, fortifying our heart and immune system. Incorporating these elements into our diets signifies more than honoring culinary heritage. It strengthens our health foundation. As we delve into modern dietary practices, we explore moderation for certain individuals, ensuring that the pumpkin's benefits fit seamlessly into diverse health narratives. Embracing the versatile world of pumpkin, we celebrate its abundant benefits while recognizing the nuances of its inclusion in our diet. For individuals with specific health considerations, like diabetes or calorie management needs, moderation is key due to the natural sugars in pumpkin and the density of healthy fats in its seeds. This journey of culinary discovery emphasizes the importance of customizing our intake to match individual health profiles, advocating for consultations with health professionals when integrating pumpkin into diets. Highlighting the significance of personalized dietary advice, this segment invites us to approach our food choices with mindfulness, respecting our unique health requirements. As our exploration concludes, let this serve as a beacon for a balanced diet, encouraging a thoughtful approach to the diverse gifts nature offers, with pumpkin as a prime example of how to navigate the nutritional landscape. The vibrant world of squashes, a cornerstone in kitchens worldwide, celebrated for their diverse flavors and myriad uses. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the rich diversity of squashes, from the delicate squash blossom to the robust pumpkin, the creamy seed squashes to the crisp round and long squashes. Each variety brings a unique story and significance to the culinary arts. As we delve into their versatility, we uncover the myriad culinary possibilities nestled within this family of vegetables. Let's prepare our palates for a culinary exploration like no other, witnessing these varieties' transformation from farm fresh to table ready. Our exploration begins with the squash blossom, known for its delicate beauty and culinary versatility, marking the start of the squash's life cycle. Seed squashes, often overlooked, embody waste not, want not, with their seeds providing a nutritious snack once roasted. The diversity stretches to round and long squashes, each offering unique culinary uses. The former perfect for stuffing and roasting, while the latter excels sliced into ribbons for a lighter touch. White squashes, with their mild flavor, act as a blank canvas for a wide range of dishes, from comforting soups to hearty stews. Meanwhile, pumpkin, a symbol of fall, brings warmth to both desserts and savory dishes, breaking the mold of traditional pies. As we wander through the varieties, from the delicate squash blossom to the hearty pumpkin, we encounter a tapestry of flavors and possibilities, enriching our culinary experiences. As our culinary journey with squashes comes to a close, let's remember the wealth of variety available at our fingertips. From the squash plant's delicate blossoms to the hearty flesh of pumpkins, squashes provide a versatile palette for the adventurous cook. It's time to experiment with these garden gems, embracing the vast adventure that is cooking with squashes. They're not just a seasonal delight, but a year-round opportunity to enrich our dishes and our health. Next time you select a squash, remember to check for signs of freshness and quality. Let's carry this inspiration into our kitchens and beyond, continuing to explore, innovate, and share the joys of cooking with squashes. Did you know that incorporating zucchini into your diet can significantly improve your fiber intake aiding digestion and creating a sense of fullness? Today, we take a culinary journey with this versatile vegetable. We'll explore 3 delicious recipes: a zucchini omelette to start your day, a refreshing zucchini noodle salad for a light meal, and an energizing zucchini smoothie to kickstart your morning or fuel your workouts. Each recipe highlights the health benefits and flexibility of zucchini, making healthy eating both easy and delicious. Let's begin our day with a fiber-rich, satisfying zucchini omelette. You'll need thinly sliced zucchini, eggs, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a bit of olive oil for sautéing. After cooking the zucchini to tender perfection, pour your whisked eggs over them. This is the perfect moment to add your personal flair, herbs like chives or basil, or perhaps some cheese for decadence. Simple to prepare, this omelette not only fuels your morning, but does so with irresistible flavors, proving that zucchini's versatility trans meals from breakfast through dinner. After the hearty start with our zucchini omelette, we journey to a dish that's equally nourishing and refreshingly different: a zucchini noodle salad. We begin by transforming zucchini into delicate noodles, a playful twist that introduces a unique texture and flavor profile. The assembly transforms into an artistic blend of colors and textures, pleasing both eye and palate. Crafting a light yet flavorful dressing enhances our zucchini noodles, reinforcing the salad's appeal. This recipe is a testament to the building blocks towards a healthier lifestyle, with each dish showcasing zucchini's central role. Moving from our vibrant zucchini noodle salad, we introduce a beverage that energizes and nourishes: the energizing zucchini smoothie. A blend of zucchini, ripe bananas, and greens creates a power booster for your day or workouts. Elevate it further with optional add-ins like protein powder, chia seeds, or spirulina, transforming this smoothie into a nutritional powerhouse. This segment showcases the simple inclusion of zucchini in your diet as a transformative step for well-being, continuing our journey towards a healthier lifestyle. In conclusion, our culinary journey with zucchini has introduced a variety of ways to enrich our diet. From the nutritious zucchini omelette and refreshing noodle salad to the energizing smoothie, zucchini proves its delightful versatility and importance in a healthy diet. It's time for you to start your adventure with these recipes, letting every nutritious bite lead towards a happier, healthier